carrying a range of vitamins and minerals for a low number of calories. Seaweed is highly nutritious. While Chinese people cook and drink seaweed soup in winter to ward off the cold, in summer the seaweed salad is quite popular because it is fresh and appetizing. Hi, welcome to the Ingredient Channel where I share healthy homemade Chinese recipes. Without further ado, let me show you how to cook this delightful Chinese seaweed salad. For the seaweed, we are using dried wakame seaweed. They are very easy to find in Asian market. If you don't have one nearby, try Amazon. Don't be fooled by its slim look. It expands drastically in size after rehydrating. With that said, we only need 3 or 4 small bunches. Soak in cold water for an hour. And they turn to their natural beauty, the beautiful dark green algae. Rinse and wash thoroughly to remove salt and sand. Make sure every wrinkle is opened and rinsed. Then boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Drain the seaweed very well. We have about 2 cups of seaweed after the rehydration. Use a pair of scissors to cut them into small pieces. Add in minced garlic, about 5 and 6 cloves, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of dark rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of dried chili powder, 1½ teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And finally, drizzle 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And then mix well. Let it season for 2 hours in the refrigerator before serving. The dish is very flavorful with a strong taste of seafood and garlic. The wakame is a little chewy, but a lot softer than kelp. Definitely one of my favorite salads, and I hope it turns to yours as well. Before you leave, please remember to like and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you around.